ka SORKAR JYLLA ka soy scholar ne kata ka memorandum of understanding hapadeng ka NTPC limited bat ka SORKAR JYLLA nak banta ka PYNBIANG boarding electric ha ka JYLLA hi bro ko bai ya ka te ka jing soy scholar la plong hanong ba New Delhi ha ka shipho trek unai tung aja afulai ha ka ba nak liang SORKAR JYLLA lai lam do menteri rang ba ukorat kanggal sangma para sakhi lang da menteri ki kam boarding u 80 mandal but CMD ka NTPC limited Gurdip Singh.
The CEOs, Mr. Mohit, Mr. Party. Now Director NTPC will become secretary.
Okay. अंदर खाली होगा और खाली तो नहीं है एटलीस्ट ये भी हाँ ये भी
This time we were passing through a big crisis as far the power generation and so also distribution is concerned. Our consumers were subjected to a lot of inconveniences, and that's why Honorable Chief Minister was thinking that how to come over of this crisis, and accordingly we were discussing with NTPC, who are having all experience, knowledge and infrastructure to give an associate with us to bail out of this situation, and today we signed the memorandum. We hope that this will go in a big way as far the power generation and distribution is concerned for the state.